In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page size in Microsoft Word Online using your web browser. Changing the page size is useful when you need your document to match a specific paper format. Whether you're preparing a document for printing, creating a project, or working with a different page layout, Microsoft Word Online provides options that allow you to adjust the size of your document directly from your browser. Start by opening Microsoft Word Online in your web browser and opening the document where you want to change the page size. Once the document is open, make sure you are working in the editing view so you can access the available formatting options. Next, look at the ribbon at the top of the Word window and select the Layout tab. This section contains several options for controlling how your document is arranged, including settings related to the page. In the Layout section, look for the Size option. Select it to open the available page size choices. You may see commonly used paper sizes that you can choose from, depending on the features available in your version of Word Online. Select the page size you want to use. For example, you may choose a standard size, such as letter or A4, depending on the requirements of your document. Once you select a size, Word will automatically adjust the document pages to use the selected dimensions. After changing the page size, review your document carefully. Changing the page dimensions can affect the way text, images, tables, and other elements are positioned on the page. Content that previously fit on one page may move to another page, so it's important to check the overall layout after making the change. If the document contains tables or images, pay particular attention to their placement. Make sure they still fit properly within the new page dimensions and that important content has not been pushed outside the printable area. The page size setting applies to the document and can help keep the formatting consistent when you're preparing the file for printing or sharing. Choosing the correct size before finalizing your document can also help prevent unexpected layout changes later. And that's how you can change the page size in Microsoft Word Online using your browser. With just a few adjustments in the Layout tab, you can change your document to the paper size that best fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,